gonna open it. The Twisty Petz.
What comes in a box?
There's a dog and a cat.
Can I see? Wow, it can turn into a bracelet. See? Let's open it, Ate.
Okay. I think when we open it, yeah. Thanks, Rain, for helping. You're welcome. I think wow. What's this? Wow! Wow! That's one.
Can I see first? Wow, can I see first?
Yeah.
Wow, this is a pouch and 2 pads. Ring. Open it. Blinks.
So first we're gonna take out Rain's doggy
What are you going to choose, Rain? A puppy or the
hat.
cat? Is that a cat?
This one is the cat and this one is
Okay.
the dog.
So what are you going to choose, Rain?
Are you gonna
Oh, I
choose?
got a
Sure you'll be safe with scissors. You can't cut it.
play with it now. How do you play it?
See you? Like that. Rings too.
How do you play it?
So, I think
They got instructions here, right? Now you can make your
guys, look! You can open this.
it as a bracelet.
Yeah.
Can you wear it as a bracelet
Yeah.
like this? It says one. You twist it. Wow, si Ate's going to help you. Ate, help Rain.
Okay.
Wow, that's nice. How about Rain?
Oh my goodness. First, you need to have this and the tail, the head and the tail. Snap it together. It's so hard.
Okay, and then you wear it. It's an instant bracelet. Wow, can you show your bracelet? Wow, that's nice. Like this, like this. Wow. How about the accessories? I think you can put the accessories.
This is for this, sir. Oh, this one is for little. So,
Okay, you can wear it. How can you make it as a pet?
oopsies. That's cool. You can take it off.
How can you put it back as a pet? See?
It's only my first time having this. I need to learn how to make. Mommy, look.
Wow.
Yeah. And first, I think you need to do like a little.
You can see the instructions here. There, you can see the instructions there. Do you think it's easy to play?
I think so. There's also instructions included.
Okay.
Let me see how they do it. Since it's my first time having this Twisty Petz, I don't know how to make it a pet. So first, you need to...
Can I see? Where is the instructions? Other one. You grab this and then put it here. This twist like that. And then this one, grab this and then you twist it.
that down. Ooh, this one is right.
Ta-da!
Oh, I think that's for
Okay.
doggy for blue one.
See? Ta-da! And then you can decorate it. This one is a puppy to wear this.
And this one is, you can put it on different Twisty Petz. Mine is this.
You can put there.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like our toys. Bye. Stay tuned on our next unboxing video. Subscribe.